Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you overview of FL Studio. Overview of FL Studio here in my channel. I'm going to show you overview of FL Studio. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, so whenever we post any videos like this, you get a notification. And don't forget, we have other videos. If you are new and you want to learn music production, we have other videos we've done already in the description below, where we show you how to make beats from beginning to the end, how to mix your beat, how to arrange beats. The videos are all there in the description. And also, if you want to continue to receive our videos, continue to receive regular videos on music tips and tricks, we have a Telegram channel in the description below where you can join and receive regular videos, regular music production videos. And not only that, if you want any question to be answered, to make a video for any question you have in mind, make sure you put that question in the comment section. Then I will get the question, I will make a video, and I will post it right back in the channel for you to see. So ensure to subscribe to the channel and like the video and continue to receive our videos consistently. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you FL Studio tutorial, how FL Studio functions. So make sure you have this right in your computer. So let's assume that you already have FL Studio in your computer. All you're just simply going to do is to click the FL Studio to open up FL Studio. So this is the first interface you are going to see. So sometimes this FL Studio seems as if it's zigzag your eye, but just be patient with me where I'm going to explain step by step on how FL Studio work. So if you look at this top section here, you're going to see the top menu. You have the file, you have the edit, you have add, you have pattern, you have view, you have this. Don't worry, just bear with me. I'm going to explain every different part. So in this first top bar here, you're going to see a pattern. We have what we call a pattern section. So the pattern section here, the pattern here is anything you put in the pattern you're going to play. If you put the pattern here, switch on 2 mode. FL Studio has 2 modes. So we have the pattern mode and we have the song mode. So the pattern mode is this. If I bring out this, I click this button here, the pattern mode will appear. So in this first pattern mode is where you lay your instrument. So we have 3 couple of instruments here that came default by FL Studio. Once you open it, you're going to see the first pattern. We have the kick, we have the snare, which is a clap, we have other instrument that is already laid here, we have hi-hat. So this thing is like a box. If you look at it now, it's like a box, a 4-corner box. So this 4-corner box is where you lay your instrument. I'm going to show you an example. I have some instrument here, and I'm going to write left click. I will hold on to the click and I will drag and drop. Again, drag and drop. This is how this instrument got here. So this is how this instrument got here. Then the first button we say is the pattern. So this pattern helps you to play any instrument that is here. For example, I'm going to lay a random instrument. So if I switch it on song mode, it's not going to play here until I put it on pattern mode. So here is where you lay your pattern. The way FL Studio work is music plus sound plus pattern is equal to music. So the next one here is the play button. Usually you have instruments at home, the play button is here. So whenever you lay any pattern, all you simply do is to press the play button and your sound will start playing. And the next one is the stop button. You can see I just use the stop button. Once you play and you want to stop your sound, all you simply do is to click stop. Then the next one we have is your record button. For example, you want to record something directly from either from your keyboard or from your computer keyboard or a piano keyboard. All you simply do is to click the red button here. I'm going to demonstrate this right now. So once I play, I'm going to remove all this for you to see how it functions. So I'm going to play it, click play, and I will press my keyboard. You see, it's recorded. So you just see the way it recorded. I'm going to put it off after recording. So you can see it recorded. So that's how that recording function works. So the next one on the list is called tempo. You can check the preview here. Tempo. So this tempo helps you to regulate the speed of your beat. For example, I'm going to try it. Let's say we have our beat here. So we're going to change the tempo. I'm going to put it on 100. So I'm going to adjust another tempo, put it on 140. So you can see how this is where we determine the speed of the beat of any project you are doing. So not only you can right click and go to the already listed options here, You can also drag. You can see the two different arrows on this cursor. You can also drag. You can also right click and edit. So just drag. You can see it's very slow. So if you want it fast, you increase the numbers. If you want a bit slow, you decrease the numbers. Then if you want your beat to be fast, all you do, you increase the numbers. So the different pace and speed of the beats and songs that you listen to in the industry, this is where they determine their speed type. When a song is very slow, possibly the tempo is slow. When a song is very fast, because the tempo is fast. Then another one on the list here is called the metronome. So the metronome helps to guide you on a count, so that whenever you want to record, for example, I'm going to put all this. So after 3 counts, usually happen maybe if you are playing a live band, when somebody will come, bah, 1, 2, 3, go. So this is actually a count to help guide what you are going to play, so that you won't make mistake. Then the third one here is a countdown before you record, before recording. So when you click this one and click the metronome, I'm going to demonstrate it for you here. You see, there's going to be a 3 countdown before you allow me to record. I'm going to click the record button. 1, 2, 3, go. You see, so after the 3 counts, before you can now what? Record. Before you can do what? Record. So that's exactly what I just demonstrated for you, in case you want to put off the record button. So alright, so this is pretty much basically what you need. Then we have our time section here, then we have our pattern. So this particular pattern helps you to choose the different pages. For example, now you lay a pattern here. For example, you lay a pattern here. Then you want to go to the next pattern. You just quickly come here, click. You see there is a fresh page. You lay a pattern here too. Then go to the next one if you want to lay another pattern. So that is when you have different patterns, when you want to lay different patterns. So that's that there. Then the next one is, after the pattern, you have what? Your playlist. So what is playlist? Playlist is when, after you have arranged your pattern, you now arrange your song into the length you want it to be. So the playlist section is where you arrange the pattern you have created. So the way FL Studio works is pattern, from pattern to playlist. From pattern to playlist, which is your channel rack. You create your pattern here, which is part, then to playlist, which is here. You get it? Sorry, your playlist here. So this is your playlist. If I switch to pattern, you see it will be playing here. If I switch to playlist, it will be playing here. So how does the playlist work? The playlist is where you now arrange your beat into a song mood. Arrange your beat into a song mood. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. So you come here, maybe these are my beats. I lay a beat here. I go to another page. Go to another page. I lay another beat. I go to another page. I lay another beat. So you can see all the different pages that I have are here. All I simply do, if I want to compose, let's say this my beat is ready and I want to arrange it into a complete song, then I will now come here, paste here, highlight 2, paste number 2, highlight 3, paste number 3, highlight 4, paste number 4. So on this playlist section, this is where I'm going to arrange my song into the standard length. All I simply do, I can just drag, or better still, you can use a shortcut to elongate this. You can use a shortcut. We could just highlight all, Control All, then you press Control B. So Control B will help you to duplicate into different lengths. So if your song is going to be 1 hour or 5 minutes, this is where you determine. So the one I just duplicated now here is about 3 minutes plus. So this particular bar helps to checkmate how long your song is, which is the timing. So if I put it at the beginning here, see, begin to count. So the total length of this my arrangement is what? Is 3 minutes. You put it here, you see 3 minutes. So this is the bar that shows you how long your mixes is. Then if you want to go to your piano roll, here, your pattern track, your mixer. When you click here, if you want to mix, this is where you bring all your songs, your mixer channel, like your normal mixer you have in your religious places. Analog mixer. These are your faders for use to mix, to adjust the volume of your mix. Then we have these button controls where your instruments are located. So this is your browser. Your browser section. So this your browser section contains all the instruments that you need. For example, if you go to your plugins, if you had external instruments that you apply, these are your different plugins. These are different plugins. So if you want to access instruments that you want to play, all you simply do, go to your you see packs, go to packs. Here you have your drums. From drums you have kick. You want to access your instruments, you have drums. So if you want to bring in your drums, all you simply do is to do what? Is to right click and drag and drop. Right click, drag and drop. You can see there is this 4 corner box that you say this is where you actually place your arrangement. So if you want to carry any instrument, is to carry, drag and drop. Carry, drag and drop. So you close it back. Then you have other instruments here. Then you can also close it back. You have instruments here. You can access your instruments. I'll drag and drop. You can see these are where you preview your instruments. So there are different type of instruments here to use to play your song. So this is your browser where you can find and project your instruments as well. So if song, this place also carries on browser section, you can find your backup in case you are doing a project and your project got auto save where your backups are written as you are doing your project. So this bar helps you to bring song position. Maybe you're on a song, the position of your song, you see when I drag, you see whenever I drag, you see it changes cursor. So if you want to adjust your song into any position, this is the one you're going to use to drag. If you want to go to the beginning, you drag and put it in the beginning. If you want to play in the middle, you drag and put it in the middle. If you want it to play toward the end of the song, then you drag toward the end of the song and it will start playing the end of the song. So guys, this is pretty much basically what you need in FL Studio. So make sure you watch this video over and over again for you to understand all the different parts. Then on our next video, I'm going to show you how to properly produce and make beats in FL Studio. So make sure you watch this video again over and over. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you continue to receive videos, regular videos on music production. Then I have other videos that I did how to make beats from start to finish. So that particular video link is in the description. So make sure you check out that video, watch it, and in that particular video, there you will see how to start making beats from beginning to the end. If you have questions that you want me to make video on, or you have other things you want to know, put the question on the comment section. Make sure you like the video and subscribe on the video so that whenever I post videos on question and answers, you're going to get notification of those. We also have a free Telegram class where we post regular videos on tips and tricks on how to make music professional, and make sure that you join that class. The link is in the description below. So guys, this is pretty much FL Studio overview on FL Studio tutorial. So these are basically what you need. So ensure you watch those videos in the description. So see you in the next video, guys.